Scientists have detected new types of coronavirus that cause COVID-19 disease in air-polluting particles. Scientists who are researching this issue are trying to figure out whether the virus causes it to travel longer and become more infected. Scientists have detected new types of coronavirus that cause COVID-19 disease in air-polluting particles. Scientists who are researching this issue are trying to figure out whether the virus causes it to travel longer and become more infected. As a result of a study conducted by Italian scientists, he found a very close finding in the air samples collected from an industrial area in Bergamo, very close to genetic features similar to coronavirus causing COVID-19. Statistical analyses by a group of researchers at the University of Bologna support some of the claims made to explain the high rate of infection in northern Italy, one of Europe's highest pollution regions. In various previous studies, it has been observed that particles that cause air pollution contain microbes and that viruses such as bird flu, measles and alum play a role in the transportation of distances. According to the news of The Guardian newspaper, the studies that are still in the beginning phase investigate how the coronavirus survives in the amount and time that causes COVID-19 to spread on the particles that cause air pollution. The coronavirus can hang in the air for hours and move elsewhere. It is known that the coronavirus reaches a distance of 1 or 2 meters through droplets that spread by sneezing or coughing. Some studies have revealed that droplets smaller than 5 microns can hang in the air for minutes or even hours, so they can be moved to other places. In other studies, it is pointed out that there is a connection between the deaths caused by COVID-19 and high air pollution. Exposure to polluted air for a long time negatively affects lung health, leaving them more vulnerable to COVID-19.